Welcome back to my channel. It is PaigeShaian. If you are new, definitely press that subscribe button and continue to check me out. If you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support and continue to take this journey with me. As you can see, I am doing a tape and install, which I have not done in a little while, so I was really excited to do it. I did get this client in pretty fast. She had texted me and I did have availability. She also purchased hair from our website. She got the Lust collection. She got 3 packs of the Lust curl, which matches her natural curl pattern, I think, pretty well. We did blow her out, press her as her initial install. She is familiar with tapes. She did have them in the past, so I was comfortable with moving forward with this tape and install. Normally, I do have a consultation, which is very important prior to an install. So while she was sitting in my chair, I did notice she did have some breakage in the middle of her head where when we trimmed, I did ensure that we got those dead ends off so that hair can continue to grow and meet her perimeter. She also had some color correction things going on. Her ends were much darker than her root. Her root was extremely light. So we went in with a level 4 color just to kind of even her out a little bit and make her blend pretty well with the extensions. So she's not a black, so she's really just a dark brown, which came out really nice. So again, just enjoy this video. It's a quick video. I'm just curling the tape-ins. I think most people want to see how I do my curls. I do use the T3 curling irons, which I think gives a nice body curl to the hair. Nothing too tight. Most of my clients don't want anything tight when they have the longer hair. Nice and flowy, you know. So that is also seen in the video. So definitely purchase from our website, level27luxurycollection.com. We have tape and extensions. This is human hair. Again, she has the Lust curl and it is pressed out. We also have the body wave as well. We will be adding some more textures like the kinky straight and the kinky curl for our level 4 family hair textures. So that's pretty exciting as well.